As-salamualaikum viewers. I am Mukibul Hassan. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel XLFC, which is an Excel based video tutorial channel. Among you, those who wish to see my previous video, you can follow the link on your screen to see that video. In our today's video, we are going to discuss about the if function of Microsoft Excel. Probably this is the most widely used logical function out there. Today we are going to discuss about the theory only. In our next video we will try to discuss about the practical use of the if function, inshallah. To discuss about this video, I have introduced a theory which is the girlfriend and boyfriend theory. Suppose you have, obviously you have a girlfriend, I hope so, and today it's her birthday, so you're gonna have to bring her a gift, right? If you bring her a gift, then you will be getting the lovely part of this concept, and if you don't bring her a gift, then you are obviously going to get the angry part of this theory. I hope seeing at these pictures you guys understand where I get these snapshots. These both snapshots came from my favorite Disney movie Tangled, which was first released in 2010. This is one of my favorite movie. Among you, those who haven't seen this movie, I highly recommend you to watch it. So here is three core concepts. The one, gift part. Two, lovely one. And the three, the angry one. The logic concept when the situation, that means the gift, you have brought the gift, is true. Have you brought the gift? Yes, you have. Then the gift logic is true. It can be false or true. Let's say you have brought the gift, so it's true. Then you are going to have the love part. Obviously you are not going to get the angry part in this situation when you brought a gift. Let's say the concept is false. The gift, you didn't bring her a gift. The logic of bringing gift is false. So now you are not going to get the lovely part, I guess, but you are obviously going to get the angry part. Let's think the whole concept in the Excel way. So here is my three core concept or three core parts: the gift part, the lovely part, and the angry part. So what actually happening here? If you bring your girlfriend a gift, then you are going to get the lovely part, and if you don't get the gift, you are going to get the angry part. So here the condition is the gift. If you bring her a gift which is yes, then you are going to get the lovely part. If you don't get the gift which is no, you are going to get the angry part. So you can rearrange the whole statement like this. Now I'm going to use the true or false instead of yes and no, like this. Rest of the statement will be same as it was before. So guys, this is the if statement of Microsoft Excel. I hope you guys understand what I have tried to mention in my video. See you in my next video, where I will discuss about the practical examples of if function, which is the most widely used logical function of Microsoft Excel. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel to get the latest video instantly as soon as they are uploaded. You can use the notification button of my channel. Stay connected by subscribing my channel. Be with XLFC, Microsoft Excel Fan Club. As-salamualaikum.